on. So as you saw in the last video, I picked up the Vaydor kit. I just mocked the front end up a little bit to give you an idea of what it's going to look like on the car. I also chopped off the roof, got that all out. Still have to cut the pillars off. I couldn't get the front windshield out. I just keep breaking it, so I'm just going to end up cutting through, chop it off instead of just removing it. What I did do though is I removed the rear windshield. This is all gone. Next I'm going to cut across here, get this big section out. Then I'm going to cut the pillars off, get all of the roof out, and then just keep cutting, get everything off and down to the chassis so I can get the frame on.